Okay, let's look at another distance, rate, time, or motion problem. And this one is actually going to be a little bit easier because we're going to have a proportion at the end, and I'll show you why. So in this case, we're looking at train and bus, and I set up my table to kind of help me fill in all my information. So it says a train travels 225 miles in the same time, and this is in bold because this is going to be important later on, that it takes a bus to travel 200 miles. If the speed of the train is 5 miles per hour greater than that of the bus, find the speed of the bus. So this is what I'm trying to find. So let's fill in what I know. I know the train distance is 225 and the bus is 200. I know the rate of the train is 5 miles per hour faster than the bus. And then I'm going to set up the time of the train and the time of the bus. Okay, so let's set up our two equations. Distance equals rate times time. And this one, distance equals rate times time. And I'm going to solve for time. So over here, I'm going to get the time of the train is 225 divided by r plus 5. Over here, the time of the bus, I'm going to divide by r, so I get 200 divided by r. What makes this easier is it says it takes them the same amount of time. That means the time of the train equals the time of the bus. So I can just set this time of 225 over r plus 5 equal to the time of the bus, 200 over r. And at this point, we can actually just cross multiply to solve. So I'm going to come over here. When I cross multiply, I get 225r equals 200 times r plus 5. Distribute the 200 and you get 200r plus 1,000. Subtract the 200r from both sides. 225 minus 200 is 25. And then to get r by itself, divide both sides by 25, and you get r equals 40. And I was trying to find the speed of the bus, which is r, so this is my answer, and it's 40 miles per hour.